Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. It's Taco Tuesday and we're having taco. I'm making beef and shrimp tacos. If you want to see how I achieve these, then let's do it. Okay, it's time to heat up the shells. I have the stand ones, that's the crunchy, as well as the soft one. Okay, I'm just going to put these in this pan. The oven is already on 350, so I'm allowing it to heat up, and then I'll shut it off and just put these in and have these warm up. Okay, here is the sirloin, grounded sirloin, and I'm just breaking it up into little pieces. Just like that. Now in goes the shrimp. We're having shrimps in it today. So just add the shrimps in. Nothing is seasoned because the dressing, the taco seasoning that I have here, that's really high in sodium to me. I'm using the mild one. There it is. This is packed with seasoning. So my friends, family and friends, you don't need to add nothing else. This is loaded. Please don't add anything else. This has everything in it. I thought I could have gotten away with a half of it, but I'm going to use all of it and just add extra water. That's a half cup. So I'm going to add some more because it is still rather high in sodium for me. So I'm tuning it down with some more water. This is the mild one, so it is not as spicy as the others. So I'm going to just allow this to cook. It's going to get thick. That's what you want. You don't want to put it in the taco with all of this gravy in it like that. So here I am just adding some parsley in it. You know, I love to see colors in my food, so parsley is going to do it for me. Just like that. You see how thick it's getting? It's ready now. The stove is off. I start out with it on medium. Now it's shut off. So it's ready. Okay, everything here is cut up. I have cabbage, lettuce, tomato, celery, onion, and the cucumbers. I just have to finish them off. This is ready. Look at it. Oh my word. It's ready. Okay, everything is finished, even the cucumber. We have light sour cream as well as the cheeses. Some taco blend, recipe blend taco, and some Italian cheese. So we're having the works today. Okay, now this is how I assemble them. Some people don't put the meat to the bottom, but this is the way I do it. It's up to you. Meat, and I love the cheese on so the cheese can melt. Some people put the cheese on top, but this is what I do. Now this is the first time I'm trying the cabbage with the romaine. I just want the extra crunch. Okay, just like that. I mixed up all of the veggie in one. Make like a pico. That's cucumber, onion, celery, whatever. Bell peppers, whatever you have, work it. Now the sour cream goes on top. Then the taco sauce. Now it's fine without the taco sauce as well, so it's up to you. And you can enjoy it. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you have just subscribed, welcome to our family. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.